how to create a blog post page in Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here, and this is the website that I want to create a blog post page for. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select Open WordPress Dashboard. This will load up our website in WordPress, and here you should be able to see Elementor and templates from the side. Hover over templates and then go to Theme Builder. It's going to look like this here, and from the left hand side what we want to do is we want to create a single post here. So click on single post and it's going to look like this. So we just want to give it some time to load up, and it will show us these different blocks that we can choose from. So you will be able to see blog post title here as the first option, most likely. If you don't see it, you want to scroll down, and basically we will just select this preview here, and it's going to look like this. I'll just allow the cookies and I will select insert. This will override the design, layout and other settings of the single post you're working on. Click on apply, and this should give us the template for our blog post. So it's going to look like this. We can obviously customize all of these boxes to our liking. So we can change the text here, we can change the heading, and we can also create some posts. So here we'll just add our HTML tag and also the link for our blog post. And we can also change the image here, as you can see, featured image, and we can also add some other text as well, and we'll add or have these buttons here so people can actually share our post on these different platforms, and it will also give us a related posts tab here. So obviously you will customize this to your liking here. You will go to style, you will go to advanced, and you can change this and create your post this way. And that's basically how you create a blog post page on Elementor. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.